Hi, my name is Adele McMurray and I'm a teacher. I prepared this video so that you can learn and talk about zero gravity and to also share my awesome experience that I had aboard G-Force. I hope this inspires you more about math and science. Enjoy the video.
On October 7th, I had the opportunity to experience the thrill of a lifetime. I went on a zero-gravity flight. The flight was offered to 60 math and science teachers by Northrop Grumman Foundation Flights of Discovery. So what is a zero-gravity flight anyway? Well, it's the only way for us to experience zero gravity without going into space. The astronauts actually train for space using this program. The aircraft used is a modified 727. It is FAA approved and officially called G-Force 1. And here's how it works. Maneuvers are conducted in a dedicated airspace 100 miles long by 10 miles wide. Once airborne, we flew to a protected airspace in Jacksonville, Florida. The pilot then conducted a series of parabolas or arcs between the altitudes of 24,000 and 34,000 feet. Once we got to approximately 26,000 feet, the aircraft climbed at a 45-degree angle. At this point, we felt about 1.8 Gs pushing on us. Weight-wise, that's like a 100-pound person now weighing 180 pounds. At the top of the parabola, the aircraft is then pushed over, falling 8,000 feet or so until the plane is pointed down at a 30-degree angle. And it's at that moment that you feel the effects of zero gravity. We experienced 15 parabolas. However, astronauts experienced 40 or more. We started out at the Hartsfield International Airport. Before the flight, we attended an FAA briefing and had to pass through private security. We also went through a training program approximately 3 months prior to the flight to develop experiments and submit those to instructors. We were even issued boarding passes and had to show them before we got onto the aircraft. We had to adhere to all FAA regulations. The interior of the plane is totally gutted and padded. There were 60 seats in the rear of the plane and no bathrooms. After takeoff, we were allowed to take pictures and set up our experiments. As we leveled out at about 26,000 feet, I did some push-ups at Earth's gravity. Once the pilot angled the plane for the first parabola, we all had to lay on the floor. At this point, it was nearly impossible to turn your head and move. 1.8 Gs is very strong. If you moved your head, you were prone to air sickness. And yes, we all had sickness bags in our pockets, and I was proud to say I never had to use mine. In our first parabola, we experienced Martian gravity, which is 1/3 Earth's gravity. And in the second parabola, we experienced lunar gravity, which is 1/6 Earth's gravity.